Welcome to my channel. I am Ben, the business analyst expert. In today's video, we are going to talk about a simple strategy that can help you generate $20,000 per month consistently online by selling digital products. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to be notified on future videos. I want you to take a look at my screen. These are the transactions generated from selling digital products online. As you can see on my screen, I made around $31,000 last month alone. And in this training, I will give you a step-by-step guide on how to achieve these types of results. Now, this isn't some get-rich-quick scheme. This is a proven sustainable method that requires focus, strategy, and consistent execution. So, if you're ready to take your online income to the next level, grab a notebook, sit back, and let's get started. The first step in building a successful digital product business is finding the right digital product to sell. This step is crucial because your product is the foundation of your entire business. The key to consistent revenue is offering a product that solves a specific problem or meets a particular need in your target market. When it comes to digital products, there are many options to consider, such as online courses, ebooks, software, templates, memberships, and more. The beauty of digital products is that they're scalable. You create the product once, and you can sell it over and over again without additional inventory costs. So how do you find the right digital product? Start by identifying your passion and expertise. What are you truly passionate about? What do you have extensive knowledge or experience in? What do people often ask you for help with? The intersection of your passion, expertise, and market demand is where you'll find your ideal digital product. For instance, if you're an expert in digital marketing, you might create an online course teaching others how to run effective social media ad campaigns. Or, if you're a skilled designer, you could create a library of design templates that others can purchase and use for their own projects. Once you have a rough idea of what you'd like to create, it's time to validate your idea by doing market research. Research platforms like Udemy for online courses, Amazon Kindle for ebooks, and Etsy for digital templates to see what's already selling well in your niche. Pay close attention to customer reviews to understand what people like and dislike about existing products. This will give you valuable insights into what's missing in the market and how you can create a product that stands out. Remember, you don't necessarily have to reinvent the wheel. You can take an existing concept and improve upon it by adding your unique touch or by addressing a gap that hasn't been filled yet. The goal is to create a product that provides real value and stands out in a crowded market. Now, let's say you're not quite ready to create your own product, or perhaps you simply don't have the time, resources, or expertise to do so. That's perfectly okay. There's an excellent alternative for you promoting a master resale rights opportunity, also known as MRR. With master resale rights, you purchase the rights to a product that someone else has created, and you're allowed to resell it as your own. The best part, you keep 100% of the profits from each sale. This is a fantastic way to start generating income quickly because you don't have to go through the lengthy process of product creation. You can jump straight into selling and earning money. You will find the link of one of the best MRR to promote at the moment below this video. The key to success with MRR is choosing a high-quality product that's in demand. You want to look for MRR opportunities that come with well-designed sales pages, promotional materials, and customer support. This way, you can focus entirely on marketing and selling the product rather than worrying about building everything from scratch. Many MRR products even come with built-in upsells and downsells, which can significantly increase your profit margins. To find high-quality MRR products, start by researching reputable MRR platforms and marketplaces. Look for products that have positive reviews, high conversion rates, and strong customer support. Remember, your reputation is on the line when you resell someone else's product, so it's crucial to choose a product that delivers real value to your customers. Once you've selected your digital product, whether it's one you've created or an MRR product, the next step is to build a high-converting sales funnel. A sales funnel is a series of steps that guide your prospect from being aware of your product to making a purchase. The goal of your funnel is to automate as much of the sales process as possible so that you can make money while you sleep. Sounds great, right? Let's start with one of the most effective types of sales funnels. A funnel designed to schedule a call with your prospect and close the sale over the phone or through a Zoom presentation. This type of funnel works exceptionally well for high-ticket digital products because it allows you to build rapport and trust with the prospect before asking them to make a significant investment. Here's how this funnel works. You need a landing page. The first step in your funnel is the landing page. This is where your prospects will land after clicking on your ad or link. Your landing page should have a compelling headline that grabs attention, a clear and concise description of your offer, and a strong call to action. The goal is to capture their interest and get them to take the next step. Then you need a lead magnet. To entice your prospects to provide their contact information, offer something of value for free. This could be a guide, a cheat sheet, a webinar, or a free consultation. This free offering is known as a lead magnet, and it's an essential part of your funnel because it helps you build your email list and nurture your leads. Then you need a thank you page. After the prospect submits their contact information, they'll be directed to a thank you page. On this page, offer them the opportunity to schedule a call with you. This is where the magic happens. During the call, you'll have the chance to answer their questions, address any concerns, and close the sale. Whether it's over the phone or through a Zoom presentation, this one-on-one interaction is crucial for closing high-ticket sales. This type of funnel is incredibly effective because it allows you to build a personal connection with your prospects, which is especially important when selling high-ticket products. By the time you're on the call, they've already engaged with your content, seen the value you offer, and are much more likely to convert into paying customers. The second type of funnel I want to share with you is the Tripwire Funnel. This funnel is designed to maximize the lifetime value of a customer by starting with a low-ticket offer, something they can't refuse, usually priced between $7 and $47. This is called the Tripwire, and its purpose is to convert a lead into a customer as quickly as possible. Here's how the Tripwire Funnel works. Just like the previous funnel, you start with a landing page that captures the prospect's attention and encourages them to opt in. Your landing page should clearly communicate the value of your Tripwire offer and create a sense of urgency. Once they've opted in, immediately present them with your low-cost offer, the Tripwire. This could be a mini course, a detailed ebook, a toolkit, or any other digital product that provides immense value at a low price. The goal here is to get them to make a small purchase and become a customer. After they purchase the Tripwire, redirect them to an upsell page where you offer them a higher priced product or a more advanced version of the Tripwire. This is your main product, and by offering it as an upsell, you're increasing the average order value and maximizing your profits. The Tripwire funnel is powerful because it gets your foot in the door with the customer. Once someone has made a small purchase, they're far more likely to buy again, especially if their first experience with your product is positive. This funnel allows you to build trust with your customers, which is essential for long-term success. Now that your funnel is set up and ready to go, it's time to drive traffic to your offer. Traffic is the lifeblood of any online business. Without it, you won't make any sales, no matter how great your product or funnel is. Let's start with organic traffic. This is the traffic you don't have to pay for, and it's one of the most sustainable ways to drive traffic over the long term. Here are 3 key strategies for generating organic traffic. Number 1, YouTube. YouTube is one of the most powerful platforms for driving organic traffic. By creating valuable content that educates your audience and subtly promotes your product, you can attract a steady stream of traffic to your funnel. The key to success on YouTube is consistency. Post regularly, engage with your audience, and optimize your videos for search. Over time, your videos will gain traction and continue driving traffic for months or even years. Number 2, Facebook groups. Facebook groups are another excellent source of organic traffic. Join groups related to your niche and start providing value by answering questions, sharing insights, and engaging in conversations. Don't just drop your link and run. That's a surefire way to get banned. Instead, focus on building relationships and providing value. When appropriate, you can direct people to your funnel. Number 3, direct messages. This might sound old school, but direct messaging can be incredibly effective for generating leads and driving traffic to your funnel. Identify potential customers within Facebook groups or other online communities and send them a genuine value-packed DM. The key is to build a relationship first before pitching your product. If you're looking for faster results, paid traffic is the way to go. Paid traffic allows you to reach a larger audience quickly and can significantly accelerate your business growth. Here are the 2 platforms I recommend for paid traffic. Number 1, Facebook ads. Facebook ads are incredibly powerful because they allow you to target people based on their interests, behaviors, and even specific life events. You can create highly targeted campaigns that reach exactly the people who are most likely to be interested in your product. Start with a small budget, test different ad creatives, and scale the ones that perform the best. The key to success with Facebook ads is testing and optimizing. Don't be afraid to experiment with different audiences, ad copy, and images. Number 2, Google Ads. Google Ads are great for targeting people who are actively searching for solutions. With Google Ads, you can create ads that show up when someone searches for something related to your product. This is known as intent-based marketing because you're reaching people who are already interested in what you have to offer. Use keyword research tools to find the best keywords for your ads and create compelling ad copy that encourages people to click through to your funnel. Finally, let's talk about follow-up. This is where most online businesses drop the ball, but it's one of the most critical components of a successful digital product business. Most people don't buy on their first interaction with your funnel. So you need a way to stay on top of their mind and nurture them until they're ready to make a purchase. Email marketing is one of the most effective ways to follow up with your leads. Create an email sequence that educates, nurtures, and sells. Your email sequence should start with a warm welcome email that introduces yourself and your brand, followed by a series of emails that provide value, share success stories, and highlight the benefits of your product. Finally, include emails that address common objections and offer limited-time discounts or bonuses to encourage people to take action. Use tools like MailChimp, ConvertKit, or ActiveCampaign to automate your email marketing process. These tools allow you to segment your audience, track open rates and click-through rates, and optimize your emails for maximum engagement. Another powerful follow-up strategy is retargeting ads. Retargeting ads that show up to people who have already visited your website, interacted with your content, or signed up for your email list but haven't made a purchase yet. These ads keep your product in front of potential customers and remind them of the value you offer. Retargeting ads are highly effective because they target people who are already familiar with your brand and are more likely to convert. And there you have it. A complete step-by-step strategy to generate $20,000 per month consistently online by selling digital products. Remember, the key to success is execution. It's not enough to just consume this information. You need to take action, implement these strategies, and continuously optimize your approach. Building a successful online business takes time and effort, but with the right strategies and mindset, it's absolutely achievable. And if you are looking for a digital product to promote, I recommend you click on the link below this video, and you will find the link of the best MMR to promote at the moment. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. I'm committed to bringing you valuable content that helps you achieve your online business goals, so make sure to stay tuned for more. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not done it yet, and don't forget to click the notification button. I hope you guys learned and enjoyed this video. Thank you, and have a great day.